Today I am going to talk about Pascal's triangle. I am going to show what is Pascal's triangle, how to make Pascal's triangle, and what is the use. First, what is Pascal's triangle? Pascal's triangle is the arrangement of numbers that are created by summing up adjacent elements from the previous rows. Okay, now how to make Pascal's triangle? First, you just start with a normal one. Then, everywhere there is no digit, it's just zeros. So 1 plus 0 would be 1. And since it's a triangle, it has to go both ways. So another one here. Then a new cell will start here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 is also equal to 1. Okay. A new cell here, 2 plus 1. So that would be 3. Same for 1 plus 2. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1. Then 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1 plus 3 also equals 4. And then 1 plus 0 equals 1 and 0 plus 1 equals 1. 4 plus equals 10. 6 plus 4 is also equal to 10. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is also equal to 5. And 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now, what is the use of Pascal's triangle? It is used to figure out combinations. What are combinations in the sense? Like suppose there are 4 items in the box, and you can pick two out of them at a time. How many combinations are there? So first there's AB. Let's write that down. AB, AC, and AD. BC and BD and CD. We're not counting reversing them, they're still the same. Reverse them, so there's 6. Now, why Pascal's triangle is a shortcut? Suppose this is row 0. This is row 0. So there are 4 things in the back. So that go to row number 4. So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is a number 0, 1 and 2. 6. And there are also 6 combinations. This is how Pascal's triangle can be helpful in finding out large combinations. Thanks for watching the video, and bye.